Welcome back. And today's hairstyle is called Mohawk boho braids, and some people call it Mohawk braids. It depends on the hairstylist. But as for Golden Hairs UK, we'll be calling this hairstyle Mohawk boho braids. And today I'm just trying to stretch out my client's hair, because to achieve this hairstyle you need to have like a smooth texture. It needs to feel like you relax the hair, so I'm trying to blow dry it out as much as I can, because it's a natural hair. Natural hair can be difficult to work with, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So for my method, I tend to like stretch out the hair, and after stretching it out, then I use a hot comb. I know most people don't believe in the use of hot comb, but for golden hairs I make use of hot comb, and I check the product well before buying it, and this is a good product to use. So you use heat protector to protect your hair from damaging, but this comb is perfectly fine without heat protector. For Mohawk braids, you need to understand this hairstyle properly when your clients come to you and tell you that, you know what, this is the hairstyle I want to make. So for this hairstyle, you need to divide it into two and divide it again into subsection, and that is what I'm doing right now. I've divided the hair into two, and I'm dividing it again into a subsection. Let's continue watching. For the gel I'm using Shine and Jam for this hair. Shine and Jam is a very good one, but you interact with hair as well whenever you interact with oil when you're using it. So for this subsection, yeah, I have divided the hair into two, and I'm doing the braids in between. So the subsection is where you do the braids in between, just to achieve the style you want to do today. So I'm making the braids. I've put in the curls, and if you can see a comb on her head, that comb helps me a lot to put the braids in place. And also for this style, you need to like do different kind of styles into it, and this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to make like a pattern style. And if a client come to you that they want to do this kind of style, you need to study it properly. But remember, you are not a magician, and you cannot do everything they ask you to do. You can only say like an illustration, something for you to follow, but you can't do the exact thing they want you to do. So my client came with a style like this, but I was able to study their style and do what I can do. So here I've already applied the mousse, the edges, everything, and then I've blow dried it as well. And let's see the review of the hair. Let's see how it looks. I am so excited to see this. Look at that. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is what I do every day, and this motivates me so much to see the hairstyle I've made for my lovely clients, to make them more beautiful. Because what is golden hairs to you? Golden hairs make your hair look golden and beautiful. So yeah, for this hairstyle you need to maintain it with a lot of mousse because of the curls, you know, and that is what I've done. And I'm trying to like separate the hair. Honestly, here I was already tired. I had to ask for my husband's help to help me hold on to it so I can pack it properly. Yes, the curls is very full. It's very full, and that is the beauty of the hair, to be honest. That's the beauty, because if it's scanty, it won't really bring out the beauty of this Mohawk braids. It won't bring it out. So yeah, it's helping me pack it up, and you can see how we put my client's head to the back. But to be honest, after we're done, it didn't really feel heavy. And here's the final product. Oh my goodness, that is a magic. And look how beautiful she is, and look at the hairstyle. I'm really proud of it. I'm really proud of my work. And follow me and like and subscribe if you like this, and hope to see you some other time with your lovely comments, and then I will reply as well. Thank you very much.